What if you could buy directly from the manufacturer? What if you could see the product before buying it and speak to a product specialist in person? You can. The sales hub of one of the largest aftermarket automotive manufacturers in the industry, aFe Power, offers a one-stop retail shop. aFe Power Factory Store. Open to the public and located right in the heart of Corona, California. Imagine a factory warehouse filled with over 6,000 part numbers to enhance your vehicle's performance, which you have access to through our aFe Power Factory Store. From intake and exhaust systems to suspension components, accessories, electronics, and more, aFe Power offers compelling, innovative products for almost every late model car, truck, Jeep, and SUV. Call or visit the aFe Factory Store to speak to a product specialist and get the right parts and the right service at the right price. Order, pickup, and installation services are available by appointment. We're open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. Contact the aFe Power Factory Store today.